Nakita mong video na to, alam ko forex trader ka, marunong ka na ba magbasa ng news? Kung hindi pa, tapusin mo yung video na to dahil ituturo ko sa'yo kung paano gamitin yung news on your advantage. So, how do we read news? We could go directly to forexfactory.com to read news. So, punta lang kayo sa website na yan. So, may makikita kayong tatlong mga folders dyan. Yellow, orange, tsaka red. Si yellow, it indicates low impact news. Si orange, medium impact news. Then si red, high impact news. We are really only concerned with high impact news. Pagdating po dito, si red lang talaga yung tinitignan natin. Kasi siya lang talaga yung makakapagpabago ng volatility ng market kapag ka nagtitrade tayo. As this news release is the real market mover. Yun, yung mga high impact news. Ano yung mga high impact news? Katulad ng interest rate, inflation, unemployment, yan, mga high impact news yan. It can make the market move several pips in mere minutes. So, halimbawa, 30 seconds lang, biglang gagalaw ang